Hello, good day, and welcome to Joso. My name is Ishion Abife, and I'm going to be taking you through using your GNSS P6 tablet to capture GIS data on site. So, for this video, I'm going to show you through two modes using the P6 tablet as a receiver and using it as a data logger to connect to an external receiver. And note for these activities you need an internet provider to your device, either via Wi-Fi or an internal SIM card. So let's jump right into it. So first thing we have to do on our device is to enable the mock location to pick from the app we are going to be using, which is the Survey Master app. So first thing, you go to your settings, you scroll down to about to enable the developer mode. For this device, it's the build number. All you have to do is to tap the build number 3 times and it enters the developer mode. As you can see, I'm already in the developer mode. After this, you go to system, and under system you click on advanced and straight to developer option. Then what you're looking out for is mock location. So you can scroll down until you see select mock location. So you click on select mock location, and as I said, the app we're going to be using to get our location is the Survey Master. So you click on Survey Master in case you have more location providers on your device, but for this, select Survey Master. Then our Survey Master is being set as our mock location. Next thing is we go straight to our Survey Master. Okay, so this is our Survey Master interface, and like I said, we'll be going through process as a receiver, as a standalone receiver, and connecting to an external receiver. And our base will be a call station. So you go to device, you select connection. For the standalone receiver, it has to be in Android device mode, and your connection type is device. So you connect.
Device connected. Rover. PDA cores.
So our device now is connected, and we can, as you can see, it's saying P6H connected. So we go to Rover to set our work mode. We already have our call stations parameters already set. So I click on start, and we are connected. So we wait for our device to fix. It's been closed now.
Fixed.
So now our device is fixed, and it's giving us correct values in 5mm for our H values and 6mm for our V values. The next thing we have to do is to go to projects, go to settings, and scroll up to mock location. Then ensure your mock location is on, because this is what will make the Survey Master app communicate to your internal location device and select the Survey Master as your location provider. So once it's ticked, you go back, and what we'll be using for this demonstration is the QField. So now you can leave the Survey Master and open your QField app. So now we are in our QField. All we have to do is to open a project which you have already created beforehand and transferred to your device. Then we use the plus sign to select from our folder. So you click from import from folder. Then I already created my project final test, so I click on final test, and so this is my final test project coming up. For the first time coming into this, you have to click on the top menu, the 3 line at the top. Once you do that, you click on the 3 dots by the right side, and then you go over to your settings. Then once in your settings, you can now go to positioning. So in positioning, you can see we're actually using our internal device. That was the main point of selecting our mock location and entering developer mode. Then underneath, you can set to show positioning information, because if your positioning information is not on, you won't have the display of the coordinate system at the bottom. So always ensure you show your positioning info. Then your accuracy indicator, you turn it on. Then you can choose how many millimeters you want as your threshold. Then after this, you are all set for it. You can see mine is green because my threshold is below what I set for it. Then you can see the coordinates we are having here, our latitude and longitude, tallies with what we have on our Survey Master, and the H and the V values are the same with what we have on the Survey Master. Next you have to do is you enter your digitize mode by coming back to the menu icon, then clicking on this pencil. So you're now in digitize mode. Then now once you are on a point that you want to pick, you do that by moving your screen to your location where you want to pick. So I'm trying to get my exact location where I am. Then once you can zoom in and center correctly on the position you want, all you have to do is to click the green dots according to your preset form when creating your QField project. Then now you can input your ID from the default form I created with my ID, my street name, the number, the dates pre-installed and pre-planned, then the operator's name, and you can see the longitude and the latitude are already playing from my set project. So that's basically all you need to do for using the QField to pick your points, your GIS points on field. So now we go to the second process, which is almost the same, but the difference now is in a case where you're not using a P6 tablet, you're just using a normal data logger. The process is the same. So I will have to disconnect from this.
Device disconnected.
So now, since I am using in a data logger mode, I have to turn my device model to ROTK. I'm connecting with my device via Bluetooth, and the name of my device is this. You can see in my target device. Then I click on connect.
Device connected. Rover. PDA cores.
So now it's connected to my receiver. I go back to my mode. I will have to disconnect this to show you I'm connecting it back. So still setting on my course, I click on start and it's connected to my course. Still remember, you need to have an internet provider. So you can see it is fixed to my receiver through my core station. The values are there, the H values, the V values are there, the coordinates are there, B for longitude, L for latitude. Then now you go to your QField, you still have the same fix there. Longitude and latitude are still the same as what we have on the Survey Master app. The H values, the H accuracy and the V accuracies are the same on the Survey Master. So this is how you can use the P6 tablet for your convenience to pick your GIS data on field. Thank you very much.